wealth, the power of your words. Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I will talk about the amazing power of your words that can help you achieve anything you desire in this world. So without any delay, let's dive right into the video. Most of the time, power and energy are associated with our physical form, but it might amaze people to know that our words have power. Our words have the ability to help and to heal ourselves and others, but they can harm as well. Kind words encourage people. Think about it. There must be someone who changed the trajectory of your life with the kindness of words, where each word made a positive impact on you. What you say comes back to you. Watch your words as you speak to someone. Are they pleasant? Your speech must be kind and encouraging for it to be returned in the same way. Avoid degrading or having negative connotations. Instead, make it enthralling and everybody becomes happy. The way you speak sustains you and becomes your foundation. The kindness and compassion of positive words strengthens your overall well-being. Negative words attack your peace of mind and well-being. If you say negative things like you can't get ahead or something is impossible or you are too old, it minimizes the chances of any betterment coming your way. Your words are powerful, so it's important to say the right thing at the right time and ensure that your words are sweet to the ear and pleasant to the bones. Now, I have a secret to share. Words have the power to make you rich. When your thoughts and intentions become your words, they transform into action and create opportunities for wealth. Thoughts and words like, "What chance do I have to be rich? Someone else can, but I can't, have no money." Or, "I've tried, but nothing has worked," leads you down an empty road to nowhere. Your words become self-defeating instead of constructive. These destructive words do not lift you up or inspire you. Instead, you stagnate and never reach the riches you truly deserve. Joseph Murphy spent decades studying and promoting the power of words. Some of the numerous examples he wrote about continue to be relevant today. Here are just a few of his examples. Number 1. Spirit and Faith. One of Murphy's first interviews was of a rich and highly successful businessman. The businessman attributed his success and prosperity to one particular Bible verse, John 6:63. "The words that I speak are spirit and they are life." The businessman stated that his constant realization of the truth behind these words had made him rich. He insisted that his wealth came not just from the verse, but from the pure intention and belief in the power of spirit put into action. He poured his deepest feelings and faith into these words each and every moment of the day. The businessman knew that speaking and living by this verse reflected his deep feelings of faith and created his vast wealth and success. Number 2. Powerful words put into action. A wealthy and successful real estate broker told Murphy the secret of his success was to believe it and say it to receive it. He attributed it to a promise made in the Bible, "Thou shalt decree a thing, and it shall be established unto thee, and the light shall shine upon thy ways." Job 22:28. The broker believed that these powerful and positive words created his wealth. As he enjoyed his success, he shared the goodwill of his faith in words to others, and the more he received in return. Number 3. I am all right now. A man facing a financial crisis taught Murphy another lesson in the power of words. He noticed that the man was constantly saying, "If I could get my hands on some money, I'd be all right, especially if this could happen or that could happen." Murphy explained to the man that he had to account for every word he spoke. He made him realize that the words he was using were just making the crisis worse. Instead, he instructed him to use positive words and phrases as if his troubles were already gone. Soon, his troubles disappeared and money began flowing back into his bank account. You too can turn the tide on misfortune and have your birthright of wealth and success. Use the power of words to become rich and successful. We have to practice every moment of every day to harness this hidden power. Murphy's magnetic power of words comes with some hard work, but the rewards are beyond comparison. Remember, number 1, your thoughts are your words. Number 2, words are far more powerful than any other weapon in the world. Number 3, let your words be filled with deep feelings and conviction. Number 4, practice using command words like believe it, say it, and receive it. Number 5, words take materialistic form. Choose carefully. Number 6, learn to speak with authority, not only over yourself, but over your problems as well. Number 7, believe with conviction that your words bring success. Number 8, use words which fascinate you, enthrall you, and repeat them frequently. Number 9, let your words flow from a standpoint of goodness and truth. Number 10, your thoughts and feelings become your words. Choose them wisely. They can help you succeed and help others succeed too. And that brings us to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts about the power of your words to get wealth? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to click on the like and subscribe button for more such engaging content. Thanks for watching.